When we choose the Video Values tool, in our right dock panel, we are presented with very detailed information about the service selected and its video and audio layers. In the first two upper sections, we find all the information related to the service: service name, provider, and network name, as well as service ID, logical channel number, transport stream ID, network ID, original network ID, whether the service is scrambled or not, service audio language, subtitles language, and so on. The lower section is divided into a left and right area. The left area shows all the details related to the video layer: its PID, bitrate, codec, resolution, aspect ratio, and scanning rate. The right area shows all the details regarding the audio layer: PID, bitrate, codec, language, sampling rate, and format. If we maximize the window, we can see a new area on the left where we can check with even more detail all the layers included in that service. This section is divided into video, audio, other layers such as subtitles, teletext, hybrid TV, applications, etc. And a fourth and last layer where we can inspect the MPD file in case there is one accompanying the service.